Hello everyone, this is Sharp and Mild, and this is another update of my $100,000 challenge. Yes, this is the challenge to grow $1,000 into $100,000. I started this with my followers about 2 weeks ago, and we are making it, guys. Yes, we did have a rough week, or maybe a rough last 2 days. We were up all the way to almost 2,300, and we dropped slowly because of the whole cannabis thing that happened, guys. You see, it says account deficit because I dropped under $2,000. But now, as long as I go above 2,000, it's going to go away because regulations says that I should be above $2,000 in order to use margin, and I did drop under 2,000 earlier, but now I'm back. So this thing is going to go away. So don't worry about it. I'm using like $300 or $400 of margin. So Fisker, guys, look at Fisker here is doing great. I mean, this guy is like on the run. Okay, now the thing that scares me about Fisker is it goes up, then it drops back to 15, 16. Hopefully this time we're not going to see this. So if you guys think we should sell this, let me know that. Now I'm holding a call, so I'm not going to budge. I'm going to keep my call. I'm already up 200 I'm up 240% just today. Total is 85% up, so I'm almost doubling my initial investment. It's only one contract. So if you think we should sell Fisker, let me know. I don't think we should, guys, just because maybe just collect some profits. I don't know. See, I keep dropping under 2,000 and going back. Anyway, guys, so Afria, it gained some of the losses back. Remember, Afria was, I bought it at 1784, and it's now, and this is the money that I lost from, or some of the gains that I lost came from Afria, because at one time Afria was almost $30, and I was at like $300-400 profits, and I lost most of this, and now I'm only at $10 total. So it is okay, guys. Things happened, and we just need to hold. Okay, OEG dropped. It was at $11, dropped to $8.50. But if you look at my entry, it's $4.17, so I'm still fine. I think it's if I had money, I would have bought probably more of it. I'm telling you guys, if you have money, buy more OOG, because it's probably gonna hit $11. Green Day is coming back again. Neo is Neo. It always comes down, go back up. It went all the way to 64. It went back to 60, so it is okay. Again, I only have 5 stocks of it, so I'm still profiting. Grow Generation, it got impacted by the dilemma that we had, because remember it was almost at $60, but if you remember, it was at like what, $30 about 3 weeks ago, and it's now at 57. It went up all the way to 62. It dropped back to 57. So again, everything is, guys, if you not lost, if you dropped, if your portfolio, because our portfolio had a peak. My portfolio had a peak at 2,300 at one time. Okay, now it dropped back because we won and we gained so much in a short period of time, and it's calibrating, it's settling down, so it is okay. So I think we're gonna go back and accelerate one more time. So please hold Jumia. Jumia went all the way to 67, then it went back to 60. Now it's back to almost 64. So this is what Jumia does. It goes up, it drops, then it goes back up again. It drops to 65, then goes back up to 70. It drops to 67, then it goes back to 75, and so on. So guys, hold. We are going to continue on the rise. Okay. X1 did the same thing. X1, look, it just gained some of the losses back. They had some public offering, and when companies do public offerings, they lose a lot of value, and it did lose some value. It was almost at 58, right? It went back to 54, 55. So what? This is nothing. I mean, this is nothing, guys. This is nothing, okay? I promise you. SWN, look at this guy. It was $3.98 when we bought it, $4, and now it's $4.31. Remember, I told you about the stock. It goes up slowly every day. $4.30, $4.40, $4.50, and it's gonna continue to do that. So yes, it is always good to add positions. Funware, it's hurting today. It went all the way to 3 something, it went back up, down. So it's a good time to buy Funware if you have fun. So please, guys, I want you to understand that this portfolio has nothing to do with the other portfolio. The other big portfolio, I entertain my followers. Not only you, I have 26,000 people. They love seeing me losing money. They love seeing me winning money. So I do this for entertainment. So don't feel bad for me. I take risks, I gamble, I do whatever I want to do. But this here is the real deal. This is the real business. This is the real deal. I put a lot of efforts in it. Yes, we lost some gains. We did not lose. We are still up, guys. I promise you we're still up, okay? SNDL is one of the stocks that really hurt me a lot. As you see here, I'm down $68, which, I'm gonna just hold to the stock. This stock has a lot of fundamentals. Whenever the stock went up so much, the company pulled some cash, and now they have a lot of cash on the side, and they're probably going to use it to, boost their growth. And the CEO came out like 2 days ago or yesterday and said that the company is on the verge of becoming profitable because, most of the cannabis companies don't make profits. Their processes are so expensive. But this guy is about to start making profits, so hold to it, Hell, I would add some now. To be honest with you, it's cheap. I would add some stocks if you want to. I don't know if you have funds, but 15%, you think it's going to go worse than this? Maybe we should add some positions. But the problem is I don't have money in it, so please go ahead and start thinking about depositing the funds. Remember, our strategy is to add funds until we get to $10,000, okay? So let's add 50, 100, whatever you can. I'm going to evaluate all these stocks, and we're going to decide what we're going to do over the weekend. I'm going to make a video, maybe on Sunday I will release it, and then we're going to decide what we're going to do. So guys, stick with me. We did have a rough past 2 days, but these are not losses. They took some from the gains. So if you were at 40% gains, you're down to 25%. So what? This is great. Don't be sad. Now, if you lost some in Afria, guess what? Afria is back, guys. Well, not really completely. It was at like $30 at one time. So I know some people bought it late at like 25, but it's okay. Hold. Afria has a lot of potential. They're going to, merge officially with Tilray, and Tilray is like, really not doing very well. It all lost. Man, I don't care what they say, but I think the Wall Street bets came after the cannabis. We were investing in them and nobody knew, and we were doing well, but then they came and they just messed up our game. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's gonna go back up. So here, look, I'm about to hit $2,000 again, and then this account deficit because I'm using a margin. And anytime you drop under 2,000, it's gonna tell you, hello, you have to put some funds, but you don't have to do it right away, So I'm gonna add anyway. I'm adding funds. I'm adding like $150 or $200 on Monday, or actually today at the end of the day, so I can use it for Monday. Okay. So please, guys, if you if you haven't deposited, start thinking about depositing. We have to fund our account. I'm telling you guys, we are going to do great. Look, Jumia is coming back. Everything is coming back. X1 is green now. So we are coming back. We are going to start again the run. Remember that run of X1 generation, Jumia, Fiskar, Neo, OEG. You remember these runs? I'm telling you, those guys did so well. I can go to any stock. Where do you want me to go? You want me to go to OEG? Look, for the month, it's up 99%. For the week, it dropped because it had so much of a run and it dropped. Look, I came in at $4, guys. So yes, they are going to gain, to lose some. So please, guys, do not lose faith in this, okay? Our journey just started. This is our 3rd week, for God's sake, okay? We are still doing great, okay? Look, I'm up 25% still. So what? We're not losing. It's like, I was thinking about it yesterday. I'm like, why am I sad? Because I went to 2,300 and dropped to 2,000. Well, I went up so fast and now I dropped. So what's the big deal? We can just win every day, wake up to a green day. So, you know what? If next week does the same thing, take me to 75%. Then take me back to 50%. I'm fine with that. Then take me back to 100%. Then take me back to 75%. I'm fine with that. You know what I mean, guys? Please think about the gains you made. Go back, look for the week and for the month and see how much money you gained. And what we did the last 2 days, it's not losses. It just took back from our gains. These monster gains that we were, scoring day after day, it came to us point where it slowed down a little bit. So, this is it, guys. I know we're gonna make it. Let's just keep going. Let's get ready for the weekend. Start thinking about what you want to do. Okay, again, you don't have to have the same stocks just like me. There's no way on earth you can copy every move I do, because this is just a journey. Okay, and some of you might have some stocks that I don't have. I might have some stocks. You have some stocks that I don't have. So vice versa. So it is okay, guys. Okay, so please be strong. Okay, and we are going to start strong next week. I think OEG is going to go up next week. X1 is gonna go up. Jumia is gonna continue. Grow Generation is gonna continue. I think we're gonna have a great week. Let's dream together, and I know we're gonna make it. Okay, love you guys all, and let's grow together. Bye bye.